Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can cast or mirror your iPhone to a Samsung Smart TV. And here we go. So first, prepare your remote, of course. In order to turn on, you need to first make sure the feature is enabled on your Samsung Smart TV. So the feature is the AirPlay. So here you can use your TV remote, go to the setting and select General. Choose the Apple AirPlay setting, this one from the menu. Select AirPlay and turn it on. And here's an option for making adjustment. AirPlay, enable or disable AirPlay on your TV. This only needs to be set up the first time you use it. You can set passcode to control who can connect and mirror to your TV via AirPlay. Subtitle and captioning, manage subtitles by turning them on or off and adjusting their size, font and color. And check for the latest AirPlay version and view information about your current software. And here we go, how to cast to iPhone. After you enable, make sure your iPhone and Samsung TV connect to the same Wi-Fi. Open Control Center on your iPhone. Tap Screen Mirroring, this icon. For all your iPhone models with a home button, the Control Center is accessed by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Then here, you can select your Samsung TV from the available device list. Enter the code that you already set up before in order to complete the setup, and you will successfully mirror the iPhone to Samsung TV. And how to AirPlay content from a specific app. Ensure your iPhone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Again, open the desired mirroring app and select media to play. This is like third party. Tap the AirPlay button, rectangle with a triangle in the app, and in the Photos app, tap Share and then AirPlay. Select your Samsung TV from the list of the device. If prompted, enter the passcode displayed on your TV into your phone. Then select photo or video will begin mirroring on your Samsung TV. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.